Hello, dear children. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do a poem, Is the Moon Tired? By Christina Rosty. Let us first read this beautiful poem. Is the moon tired? She looks so pale within her misty veil. She scales the sky from east to west and takes no rest. Before the coming of the night, the moon shows peppery white. Before the dawning of the day, she fades away. Children, this is a very beautiful poem on the moon. So let us look at the explanation. Is the moon tired? She looks so pale. In this line, you can just imagine that the poetess is looking at the moon, and all of a sudden arises a question in her mind that is the moon looking tired? Is the moon tired? Further, she herself explains the reason behind her question, that is, it looks so pale. Children, the meaning of word pale here means a little yellowish in color, or you can say looking dull. The moon is not looking very bright. So that is the reason that the question arises in the mind of the poetess. Alright. So pale here means when the moon is little yellowish in color, or we can also say that pale means that the moon was looking dull and not bright. Within her misty veil. Children, in the next line, the poetess wants to explain that the moon is now within its misty veil. What is misty? Misty means foggy. When the water droplets get suspended in the air, they form a mist or fog, and then it becomes difficult to see through. So you might have seen the winter foggy mornings when you are unable to see around or see clearly. Okay, that is mist. And what is veil? Veil means a mask or a cover that the brides wear on a wedding day. Okay, so here the poetess means that the moon is covered in the mask of mist and it is unclear. Okay, she cannot see the moon clearly due to the fog. You can even see in the picture, I have tried to show that how the moon looks when it is foggy. All right. Next, the poetess says, she scales the sky from east to west and takes no rest. Scales here means to go to the top or to climb high. Poetess says that the moon climbs the sky from east to west. Moon keeps moving from east to west and it takes no rest at all. So it keeps traveling and does not take any rest. All right, even for a while. Okay, so this is the meaning of these two lines, that she scales the sky from east to west and takes no rest. Before the coming of the night, the moon shows peppery white. Here the poetess want to explain that before the coming of the night, the moon looks peppery white. That is, before the night starts or the night begins, the moon appears like a peppery white in the sky. Like it looks like a white paper or in white color. Before the dawning of the day, she fades away. In these two lines, the poetess wants to explain that when the day appears, okay, when the day appears, before the day appears, in fact, dawn is the time when the day is about to appear or the sun is about to rise. The first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise is called dawn. Okay, so the poetess wants to say that before the dawning of the day, before sunrise, the moon starts fading away. The moon starts fading, that is, it It looks as if the moon is losing its glory and brightness because of its long journey. Even we people are tired after a long journey, and the moon the whole night is scaling from east to west, and therefore the moon looks very tired and as if the moon has lost all its glory and brightness. Okay, so this was a beautiful poem written by Christina Rossetti. I hope you all liked the poem, and you all understood the meaning of this poem. Thank you for